This video tells you how to decorate a wall by wall editor in construction. Click the wall that you want to edit and then do choose click background wall. And then you will enter the interface that is very professional for you to decorate your walls as a face. And here you can see that this facade, inner facade, the elevation. And here on the right, on the top, you can see something similar to the construction that you can put line and curve, rectangle, circle, and different form, and path line, for example, here to draw it on your wall. And you also have import CAD, which here you can upload your CAD file if you have a complex pattern and offset, as we can all understand, and then some other other tools. Other tools that is very useful. And here, here I'm going to delete everything. Okay, now we have a clean wall, so that we will start from the very beginning. So first we are going to draw a wall that I showed before. It's more like neoclassic. And first we need to divide the wall. Let's draw a rectangle on the wall. Define the dimension as 2.8 meter and height. Okay, so we have defined this area, and then we need horizontal division, which we can draw a line here, and then click escape. Then if you click this line, you can easily change the dimension by enter the exact number. For example, here we put 900, okay, to control the size and the form. And then, okay, for the vertical division, I'm gonna put it also here. Sorry, please kindly ask to mute yourself during the session. And then we can click offset. For example, 100 millimeter. Same dimension here. So you can put and then after we define the area, we can put on some the moldings. Yes, some of the moldings are for the ceiling, as you can see here, and some are for skirt lines. we can choose here decorative moldings, and then you can see something especially for the wall. Yeah, you can choose from this category, and there are quite a lot, so that you can maybe get familiar to the library first and then choose something for your design. Here, just pick something randomly. Okay. Okay, so I think this is arm, and we can also try something different. You can also put on something with a wooden texture, or choose a white one, then and then attach adapt a texture onto it later. Here we can try a different design. Okay, so of course you can pick the same product for these these 3 or 6 divisions, but in order to save time, I just want to show you how to operate with the system. Okay, here you can see that actually the decorations is already done on the wall, and then you can adapt some texture onto it. And for example, wood veneers, if you want the frame to be wooden tone, or just simple paintings with some color. For example, if I want this warm pink color, yeah, just drag it and drop it. And if you click the decor itself, and then you can replace the material here, and you can see that there are quite a lot also in the library. Also, you can upload it by yourself, so that it will show up in this area, my account. So in order to make it easier, I'm just gonna pick a wooden texture here to adapt to show you. Okay, here you can see by simply click and drag, drop, then the frame has been changed to wooden texture. But some of you might ask that the direction of the texture is not so correct, so that we can actually adjust it here, so that you can change the angle of the texture, because you know that sometimes the wooden panel have some directions that is fixed in according to the manufacturer. And sometimes if you want to, for example, change the direction of the texture one by one, for example, you have a complex form, then you can, for example, I just want to modify this part of the frame. We can click Control, press the Control, and then click this part, so that you are not select all the frame, but just this one. So you can just change the direction of the texture by this side. So that's shortcut for you to select only one item. Also, there's something that if you want to select more than one item, you can click Shift on your keyboard. For example, here I clicked Shift, so that right. So I can pick all of them. Not working here. Here. So by click Shift, you can select more than one item at one time. Okay. That's to Control and Shift is a useful shortcut when you are editing in everywhere in Coohom. They're mostly commonly used. Okay. So here we also have a material brush. So that we can quickly change some of your material, some of the texture to brush it to the wall, for example. So also the molding brush. So simply we changed all of them. So that's also something that makes your work more effective. And here is the wall editing. Thank you and see you next time.